In this video, I am going to show you how to save a Word document as an image. Utilizing the Past Special feature in Microsoft Word allows you to convert text from your document into an image. So follow these steps to save your Word document as an image. 1. Launch Microsoft Word and open the document you want to save as an image. Highlight the text you want to save as an image or press Ctrl+A to select all text. Then right-click on the selection and choose Copy. Press Ctrl+N to open a new Word document. Click on the Past option in the top left corner of the new document, and then select Past Special from the drop-down menu. In the Past Special window, choose Picture, Enhanced Metafile. Click OK to insert the image as an image. Right-click on the inserted image and select Save as Picture from the menu. Choose the destination folder for the image and enter a name. And then select your preferred image format from the drop-down menu and click Save. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.